AI can generate a flawless image of a barn in 2 seconds. If the goal is just a fast result, traditional painting is obsolete. But AI images are flat pixels on a screen. Today, we are starting the physical process that makes a real painting look three-dimensional. A lot of beginners think an underpainting is just a waste of time because it gets covered up. This completely shatters that myth. What is blocking in and what are the benefits? There's actually more than one benefit. It takes the guesswork out of color selection and locks in your values. You're conquering the white canvas. Adding subtle details now removes the stress later. You might wonder, if I already know how to draw freehand, why even bother using a grid? The professional truth is that the grid isn't a crutch, it's a structural roadmap. By letting the geometry handle the exact placement and proportions right here in the underpainting, my brain is completely free to focus on the artistry, the brushwork, the values, and light. It's about eliminating the correction guesswork so I can build a flawless foundation. The real magic, the base layers of acrylic you see me putting down right now, are the first key to making the final oil painting really glow. Because oil paint is physically translucent, the room's light will actually travel right through those top layers, hit the vibrant acrylic foundation, and bounce back to your eyes. We are essentially building a hidden mirror inside the canvas to give the finished painting a life of its own. Acrylics dry flat and fast, making them the perfect solid mirror foundation. Oils are chemically translucent like colored glass. By doing this step in acrylic, you are creating a base that will trap and bounce real light through your future oil layers, a depth that acrylics alone or AI prints can never replicate. This is a special technique used by the old masters. Here's a special tip for you. Keep the contrast high. Leaving the highlights bright right now is critical for the upcoming layers. If you're a beginner, don't worry if this stage isn't great right now. They actually call this stage the ugly middle stage. foundation is locked. The guesswork is gone. The image is clear. Now the canvas has to dry completely before the magic of the oil glazing begins. This is a multi-part journey to beat the flat look of digital art. Subscribe now, hit that notification bell, and join me in the next video when we bring out the oils to activate this hidden mirror.